You can create an infinite number of question sets in Blooket, but at a certain point, you might want to organize these sets for easier access. Blooket Plus users can create folders to organize their sets with a few simple steps. Start by logging into your Blooket account and clicking on My Sets in the left-hand column. Then select Add Folder. This is the small icon in the top right-hand corner. Add a folder name and pick a color for your new folder, and then select Create. Your new folder will be displayed at the top of your My Sets page. Now to add a question set to the folder, hover over the settings icon for the set you wish to move, then select the Move option. Then select your desired folder and click Move. You can view the contents of a folder by clicking on the folder you wish to open. You can remove any set from a folder by selecting the Remove from Folder button in the top left-hand corner of the set. Or you can always move a set to a different folder by hovering over that same settings icon and selecting Move like I already showed you. If you'd like to edit or delete a folder, navigate back to your My Sets page and hover your cursor over the folder you want to modify. 3 dots will appear, giving you the option to either edit or delete the folder. But don't worry, deleting a folder does not mean that your sets are gone. All question sets from those deleted folders will be found back in your My Sets page. Since you have a lot of question sets, you might want to merge some of them or create master review sets. And to learn how to do that, all you have to do is click on this video right here. Or if you want to learn more about some of our other Blooket Plus features, like duplicating sets or using the question bank, click on this playlist right here to check out more. Or you can always check out the link below as well. Either way, we'll see you in Blooket, and we'll see you in the next video.